That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia Whanganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
E te tae ho mānau mai hono mai ki tēnei o ngā whakataitai ke Whanganui e nei kura. Whakahi e rua, o tira ko hato hone no kirikiri roa rātou ko Lindisfarne College. Ko taubi tōku ingoa nōku te maringanui, te waimari e ki te mātakitahi tēnei ke me koutou kātua. E hono mai ana i ngā kokona e whā o tēnei motu whānui. E rangi, āhua māku tēnei, ngari aha kua tērā kare kore kamaurea mai e tēnei tima e rua me ki te ngāo te hikaka ki tēnei o ngā kēmu. Kia ora, everyone, welcome into this exciting contest between St John's College from Hamilton and Lindisfarne College. My name is Toby. As always, it is my privilege to be watching this one alongside all of you, joining in from across Aotearoa. Bit of a wet and rainy day here in Kirikiriroa, the centre of the universe. No doubt, both of these teams will still bring, oh my goodness, plenty of energy to this match. As we take a look at the two teams. First off, on the Lindisfarne College side, in the front row, Griffiths, Timms, Kovai Tupu, Reid, Dawson, Thau, Allen, East, Smith, Puketapu Pene, Britton, Benefield, Palmer, Ladit, Pinfold, and Hunia. With their pie on the bench, Bruce, Logan, Beardmore, Simutonga, Nahuka, Symes and Taylor. O tira, ki te taha o te haukainga for the hosts, Boynton, Hewlett, Rogers, Rawiri, Kowhanonga, Eagles, Van Stalen, Snowden, Eagles, once more that is Riley, Eagles, Penfold, Corona, Te Vanga, Leilua, Piet Bailey, Smith, Metepai and their impact, Caton, Momo, Fihaki, Piripi, Johnson, Maiua and Haid. E rua ngā tima, rongonui i Aotearoa, o rātou pūnaha whatuporo me ki, both teams famous in Aotearoa for their respective rugby systems. On the side of Lindisfarne, producing All Blacks like Israel Dag and St John's. Great names like Marty Hola. Nō reira, nō mātou. Katoa, nō tātou katoa me ki te maringanui ki te mātakitaki e nei whetū o āpōpō, e nei whetū tāreke. Ki o tātou, a tātou rorohiko, tiwi. It is truly a privilege for each and every one of us to be able to watch these stars of tomorrow, these outstanding young players on our screens, live and on demand. Nō reira me mihi ka tika kia Māori Plus for kāta Māori. E pāpāhoana e nei ke mō tira tēnei kotaitai katoa ki ngā kokona e whā. Puta noa i Aotearoa. And so a big shout out to Māori Plus for kāta Māori. Broadcasting this tournament, all of these games live and on demand across this great nation. Ia tātou, e tatari ana mō ngā tima e rua, ka paku titiro ki te tēpū. Lindisfarne, noho ana ki taua tūranga tuarua, St John's, tua ono. Engari hei te mea ka nui te āputa kei Whanganui a rātou. Ia tātou e whakatatana ki tēnei te mutungo o tēnei whakataitai, ka whakahirehire ake me ki ia kēmu, ia piro ki enei o ngā tima. Take a quick look at the table as we near the kickoff here. St John's sitting in 6th, Lindisfarne in 2nd. 4 places between them, but not much in the points. Only the 3 defeats for St John's, just the 2 defeats for Lindisfarne. As we near the end of the season, the business end of the year, I should say, each and every game, each and every point, ever more crucial for these two teams. Ia rātou e tituruana ki ngā kēmu whiringa whaiti e whakatata mai nei as they look towards the semi-finals in the coming weeks. Ko te ahua nei, whitia nō mai a tamanui te rā, ko wehe o e tahi o ngā kapua, tērā pēr ka MāORI ake e nei āhuatanga mo te whutupōro. Looks like the sun is shining once more. The clouds have separated and we have some fantastic rugby conditions. Ahua maha anake, a little bit warm here as we now see ngā kaiwa wau I he toru o tēnei kēmu, me te mihi nunui ki ha rātau katoa. Ko rātau tērā te tuapapa o tēnei hākinakina mei korea ki rātau e kore tēnei whakataitai e tū. Nō reira, me mihi anō ki ha rātau katoa ngā tāngata i te mā. E whakahaere ana I enei kēmu. Big shout out as we see our referees for today. And of course, a massive thank you to all of our amazing referees officiating this great tournament. Without them, these games would not be able to go ahead. So we do give a massive thank you to all of our fantastic men and women in those white jerseys running the show. Me te tainga mai, hoki o ētahi o ngā whānau, ngā hoa o ēnei tima e rua hei tautoko I a rātau tamariki mokopuna, I o rātau hoa. And of course, a good turnout as well on the sidelines. Friends, family getting down, supporting their sons, their grandsons, their mates. Koe ra tētahi āhuatanga, tino pai o tēnei whakataitai, he mea whakakotahi. Ngā hapori, ngā whānau, katoa. And of course, a fantastic part of this tournament. It is a unifying force for so many families and communities. As we see Lindisfarne College, te taha manuhiri, e rua tuana, ki te papa, making their way onto the field, of course, with that shield in hand. Challenge will be laid down today for that piece of kit. Me te toko hoki o ngā tāngata e maupōtai ana. Ko ra tētai atu tikanga me ki o te whutupōro ākura nei ki Aotearoa. Me nā ka eke, tētahi kaitākaro ki tētahi nama o ngā kēmu ka whiwhi. Ia I tētahi pōtai hei tohu I era mahi taua mahi rā. So we see plenty of players on both sides, in fact, as the home team makes their way onto the field, wearing those ceremonial first 15 caps, one of the fantastic traditions of New Zealand schoolboy rugby. Once you make a certain number of appearances for your first 15, you receive that ceremonial headgear, a great honour for these boys and a sign of their experience. Engari e te whānau. I nai anei me ki. Ka ki te tātou I tētahi anō kawa o ēnei kēmu, ko te whakatakotoranga o ērā pōtai. He mea manuka me ki. As we now see another fantastic tradition, the laying down of those caps. Somewhat of a manuka, laying down the challenge, both teams showing their mutual respect, but also their readiness to do battle here. Nō reira e te whānau, kia kātia ngā paupahu I reira. I'll let my rambling end there as we get ready to enjoy the haka. E te whānau, kia reare mai. Au e te wehi te wana me te mano e ratima e rua. He tū whakahi ana mo o rātou kura. Energy, mana on display. Two teams standing proudly for their schools, laying down the challenge. Me te whakapiri anō ki kia rātou anō. Getting plenty close there. I thought we were going to get some contact on the halfway line, but in the end, Lindisfarne backing off just short of it. Ka wai ho te rā huatanga mo te kēmu e haere ake nei. And as the two teams get ready to get underway, shout out some of our viewers. Kirsty from Auckland says she loves watching each and every week, appreciates the fantastic commentary. Why, thank you, Kirsty. Honestly, I would agree. Probably one of the best parts of these games. Those commentators really know what they're doing. And a shout out to Charlie. Says the opposite. Prefers the rugby. Doesn't love the talk as much. It's okay. It's okay at te whānau. Not everyone's going to have the same appreciations. Ko te āhua nei, mā Lindisfarne e timata. Tākaroana mai te maui ki te matau. I era tiha te whero. Lindisfarne will get us underway, playing from left to right in the red jerseys. Te haukainga hato hone. E tākaroana mai te matau ki te maui. I era tiha te kōwhai me te kikorangi. Yellow and blue, famous. For St. John's playing from right to left as we now get underway. Ka tuku ki taua taha matau. First contact carries up the sideline. Tuku anō ki Whanganui. Tata ki te rate kaumita. Oh, Rutu Paiti had a good strong tackle. Lindisfarne driving him back as now. Hato hone. Ka neke ki tēnei taha tata nei. They shift to this near side, a little bit of space. Down the near sideline. Almost breaks the tackle. Dragged into touch. The number te kaumā whā. La Lindisfarne. Lovely stuff from the right winger. Jay Ledette Pinfold. Te rārani ki wako tuatai o te kēmu nei. Ki ngai maruhiri. Te rā mā Tims e tuku. O tata ki te tāhai ai ko tāhai ngia. Mari ai ki te kaiwa wao. Te rapea. Kore ratau I peke tō tika. Referee just says they jumped across there as now Lindisfarne breaking tackles down the left-hand side. Kei reira ona hoa ki te taha maui. Kaori e tuku ka haere. Ki tōna moke ā ka whakawhiti I te raina. Te nama te kaumā toru, Reed Palmer. Made the break down the left-hand side and men out to the wing. Just decided to back himself. Ko tahi atu ki Whanganui. Te piro tuatahi o te kēmu. Kia Lindisfarne College. It's out of absolutely nothing. Broke one, broke two. Tōna tere hoki, ko tahi ana ke te hua, o te rā, he piro mō tōna tima. And it will be Ledette Pinfold. Fairly straightforward conversion. Mai mua I ngā pau. Good boy. Ka tika te mea tuatahi. Nails it. 7 now, plays 0. He rua ngā minutes I noa kua hipa I tēnei hauwha tuatahi. Just 2 minutes long. But a statement play there. Mai te tima I te whero. Subs bench just kicking the ball back in field there. Not his best kick. He's just dribbled it about halfway back to the try line. Don't imagine when he makes his way on later in the game, he will be on restart duty. So look to go deep. Ahua māku tonu ana, haru tonu ana te papa nei. Wet, a little bit muddy. Get the feeling it's going to be hard to keep ball in hand. Those tackles be a little bit slippery. Lindisfarne. Matsō tikana ki taua taha maui. Running strong up the left-hand side, giving away the penalty. Over wall. I think there was an issue with the clear out there. Ko te āhua nei. It's still hato hone ki te pai tawhitira. Looks like St John's will look to that far sideline. Haia hanga toru, te mea nui ki rātou. O ngā piro tūturu nei, not looking for the penalty. They're going straight for the try line here. Kaiwa wau, whakatika ni ngā haumua e rua. Just sitting the forward packs is now the drive. St John's heading towards that right sideline. Nicely defended by Lindisfarne. I ngā nei, atohone. Skuitau wa pōro ki te tahatata nei. And now shift it towards this near side. Strong into contact. Ka pērā tonu. They'll continue that leftwards movement, looking for the offload. Can't quite find it. Lindisfarne. Zino tata ki te tāhei. Ke hatohone tonu. Crashes his way up. Eagles dug it out. Wahapa offside the call here against Lindisfarne. Ke mua tonu i ngā pau. Ka ngāwari tērā toru inga rua te aua nei. Ooh, ka whakatūria tētai kakari. They're going to look for a scrum here. Going to back themselves. Try and put a shove in. Engage those paumua. Tērā pia whakatūwhirani e tai aputa ki ngā parirau e rua. Perhaps open up some gaps on the respective wings. Wouldn't be surprised if they'll have to shift this one quickly. Eagles. Suku whakahauana kia Van Starlin. As we'll reset. Plenty of talk between te nama iwa me te nama whitu. Tērā pia ka mahi tahi raua. Ta koroa ko Snowden tērā. Tērā pia mana te poro e kawe mai muri te kakari nei. Might see him come off the back of the scrum here. Interesting to see if he carries it up. Scrum is steady. It is a little 1-2 play between the 8 and the 9. This commentator is on fire as now Hato Hone trying to shift it. Ka taka no. There's a double knock on. Ingari te tuatahi. Tā Hato Hone. No reira. Ka kakria no ki taua tahi tā wāhira. E mā hoki o ngā whakatene tēnā ngā whakaro e rere mai ana I ngā tahe e rua o tēnei papa. Plenty of advice coming in from the two sidelines. Very invested support crew. Now Lindisfarne. Ka whāngai. Strong scrum from St John's looking to push through. Can't quite get a penalty as now Lindisfarne. Kawe tō tika ana te nama te kaumārua. Benefield with a great carry is now Pukitapu Pene. Kari ei whai te pai taha nei. Can't find the sideline as now Tohone. Tukua no ki te taha matau. Just getting in front of the play there, knocked backwards. Kia rātou tonu te rirohanga. Whanganui anō. O kua taka anō te pōro. Oira te oiwa, ue nei mungo āhuatanga te paru, te māku, te one. Plenty of mud, plenty of wet, all handling. So difficult for these two teams as now Lindisfarne. It's a release. Let it pinfold. Slipping, dropped again. So hard to hold on to that ball as now Lindisfarne. Smith. Niki ana ki te tāmau. He dislodged in the tackle. Fantastic contact is now Hato Hone looking to milk the offside, and he does beautifully. Come back for the knock on. Ora te koi. O ngā nama iwa. Plenty of sharpness from the halfback there. He kite. Ia. Pukitapu Pene. Kitsuo o te kakarira. He saw the fly half for Lindisfarne, just had found his way onto the wrong side of the ruck. Tried to throw it into his back, referee. Nothing doing on that occasion. Turi anō. Atima erua. Hanua raru ana. E whai tūranga. Both teams just struggling with their footing here. It's a slippery field out there. O reira tera pea, ka pē nei tonu. Te toinga o te kēmu nei, ia tēnei papa, e takahia tonu tia ana. As this field continues to get stomped all over. It's not going to get any easier. It's now Hatohone. Neke ana ki te taha matau. Beautiful offloads. Finding space on the right-hand side. Ka whana hei whai. I reira hoki a Lindisfarne. Ia hata te kai o au e ki nei. Te ahua nei ai. Ki a Hatohone tonu. Got a bit messy there. Might have been a forward pass or a knock-on. Kai waua. E ki te ngā tohu, engari ko te ahua nei e kakari. E te haukainga no te whāngai. Ia hama rātou. What can St John's find here? Off the back of the scrum, they've been strong thus far. Another good shove is now. Tukua no ki Whanganui pū. Good offload is now. Thought about shifting it wide, takes it to grounds. Hatohone. Tahatawa hianora. Picks it up. Strong carry from Rogers. Off he goes. Te nama toru te piki poi. Ko tahi atu ki te paiu. Me te piro tiotai o te kēmu nei ki te hau kainga Hatohone. Rima ki te whitu. The big man. There are a few better sights in rugby than a prop on the charge. He bust his way through and he was loving it. Stormed his way straight to the try line. First points of the game for Hatohone. Soon, more than likely to be 7 apiece. Me te hikaka hoki o ngā kai tautoko. Ka pēra hoki. Ngā kai tautoko katso e mātakitaki mai ana i tēnei kēmu kaore. E pikitia tu atu I tērā. Tētai paumua e rere ana. Plenty of excitement from the sidelines as well. I'm sure everyone watching at home would have felt the same. There are a few pictures better than a big prop on the charge. And goodness me, did he love that one. Whitu ki te whitu. 7-7. It's Lindisfarne. Ka timata anō mai I te paiwehe. Sideline. Still struggling with those kicks to feed the ball in. Boys, I think you need to really focus on striking just under the valve. Someone get that message across to the two benches. Might save us some time at the restarts. It's Lindisfarne. Got a low one up the centre. Well controlled. Hatohone ka titiro ki te pai taha rā. And it's a good kick. Ka hoki anō ki te pai wehe. Good clearance as we come back to halfway. He rārangi ki wahua anō. Tirai tēnei wā. Ki mei te whero. Sims. Hana e tuku. Nicely pushed back by Reed. There's Lindisfarne. Kei roto tonu I tō rātou ake hawhi me ki. Still within their own half, so they're going to look to run this one up here. Tuki ngā paumua. Hei kōkiri whakamua. It's up to the big boys to drive it forwards. Griffiths. Looks like he just lost it in there. Still with Lindisfarne is now the halfback Smith. Squinoki Whanganui. over the top of it, winning the turnover. Marikatakaki Muanoki just loses it forwards. It was the big lock forward for Hatohone. I believe the captain, in fact, Ko Whanonga, got his hands on the ball, couldn't quite hold on to it. Kore kakakari anō engari he tohu tērā. Kore ka whakatena tēnei i ngā kaiako, whakahaumaru ngā kaiako ārai me ki o tēnei tima. No kirikiri roa. No doubt some signs here that will be encouraging for the defence coach from this Hamilton side. Lindisfarne struggling to make any ground until that knock-on was committed. The defensive line for Hatohone, Etsu Kahana. Matamata no, kei Lindisfarne tonu te whāngai. Good scrum from St John's. It spins around. Ai ki te kaiwa wao. Matamata no. Engari, kei reira tonu a Hatohone. E whakātu ana I o rātou kaha. O rātou tino pukinga ki tēnei kakari. Hatohone showing their strength, their skill at scrum time. Laying down the challenge here for Lindisfarne. Going to need to find a response here at the set piece. Now the squeeze is Lindisfarne. Little short ball. That's Whanganui Whanganui. Koe Kahana, Harry Reid. Neke tonu ki te tata wahira, now in the hands of Sam Britton. As that ball once more goes to ground. Te tae koutou katoa te poro ki te kite. Te parauri haere. Te poro e tohu tērā o te uaua. Te mai tuku, te mai hopu. Te rā ko te ahua nei ka pēra tonu mo te toingo o tēnei kēmu. As we can see, that ball is getting very brown, very muddy. Difficult to pass, difficult to receive. Might see those handling errors continue throughout the rest of the 70 minutes. Scrum goes to ground. They're few tuatahi o te kēmu kia Lindisfarne. The first scrum penalty goes the way of the boys in reds as they'll tap and go. Hatohone been getting the good shoves on, but in the end, discipline just letting them down is now Lindisfarne. Carrying strongly. Tēnei tahatata nei. Tukanoki Whanganui Tims. E aha tā te kaiwa o ki nei. No arm on the clean out, I believe. The call against Lindisfarne. Me te hari kua hoki o Hatohone ki tērā o ngā karanga, tērā o ngā taunga. Atima he rua e whakaatu mai ana I tō rātou tino whakataitai. Both teams proving to be plenty competitive. St John's, no shortage of celebration for that call. All of these boys here for the fight at the moment. Good kick there for St John's. Rāra I ki wawa no tata tonu ki tērā rua te kaumā rua mita as they'll get a line out once more close to that 22-metre line. Just long on the throw, well taken at the back. Hone. A neke ki tērā tahamatau, they'll look to shift to that right-hand side. Couldn't quite reel it in there. Now it's given up. Eagles, the big man Rogers. Nāna te piro tuatahi I fight. He found that first try, but just knocks it on in the carry on that occasion. Scrum once more. Te kuaruhanui ki a koutou katoa. E whakarongono mai ana. Nā te kanga o e tahi o ngā kaitautoko. And my apologies some of the coarse language coming in from the two sidelines. To all of you listening along at home, some parents get a bit more enthusiastic than others. The beauty of having a sideline mic is we pick it all up, the good and the bad. Scrum sets in. Thorne looking to drive it through. Can't find the way, is now Lindisfarne sending it away downfield. Through Puketa Pupene. Whanapai Hoki, Tatonu ki te rua te koimarua mita is now the fullback. The number te koimarima. Finding space out on the right-hand wing, and off he goes. Cooper Smith. Te whana, me te whani. Te rehi makoni e toa, mahapo hone e toa. Te koumatoru te kai Whanganui, Leilua. Plenty of wheels chasing after the kick from his fullback. And the Pero Tuarua o tōna tima hato hona te koumārua ki te whetū. It was inspired stuff and back play from Cooper Smith. Dancing his way around the line, finding space down the right-hand side, put the kick ahead to chase me te tere hoki. O te koumātoru ruteru leilua. Plenty of pace on the chase, plenty of rhymes from the commentator, goodness me, as we will have the whana whakau mai te tāmatau. It's a good strike. And the line is good. Cooper Smith starts it all and adds the 2. There's now Hato Hone, mā te whetū. Engari kua tā marutia e te pōkeo. The skies have darkened. The rain is closing in. That field is looking more brown than green e te whānau. He ke mutawhito. Kei te haere. We're in for a good old-fashioned scrap. Lindisfarne, early change here. Looks to be their number 20 onto the field. Huanei terapia kua wharatia tētai o ngā kaitākoro kia tūmanako nei. MāORI tinoa, perhaps an injury in the first 5 slot. Hopefully nothing too serious. There's Lindisfarne. Kahana. Whakawhitiana I te pai wehe. Now they send it back to the substitute. Puts up the high bomb end over end. Dribbles its way into the centre of the field. Kua taka hoki. And it is dropped at the back for St. John's. It was always going to be a tough one. Rain coming in. Field nice and slippery end over ends. Ko te hua he kakria no kia Lindisfarne. Tatonu ki te rua te kaumārua mita o hato hone. Una te ahenga mā rātou ki te whaiwhakautu. Good opportunity for them to find a response off the back of the scrum. As the rain comes down here in Kirikiriroa. They say you can't beat it on a bad day. Can Lindisfarne beat them? Can't beat it on a good day. Oh my goodness, can Lindisfarne beat them on a rainy one? Or is that Wellington? To be honest, wouldn't really agree with either. There's now Hato Hone looking for the steal. Told to get off it. Lindisfarne. Tukikitera Pahamatau. Going to ground now. It's Harry Reid. Genoki Whanganui in the hands of Dawson. Timms breaks one. Kia no ki te papa Katsuku. Kia Smith. Little chip ahead, gathered at the back. By Cooper Smith for Hato Hone. Whana pauaka kei te haere terapia kao. Akawe anō. Got to see a clearance here, and we will. From the boot of the number 10 Penfold. Not a bad one. Finds touch. Lindisfarne happy to take it quickly. me kahana. E nama te kaumārua. Benefield. Smith. Puketapu Pene. Through the hands, Reed. Te kaipariro maui, Britain. Ko whakawhitia no I te pairua te kaumārua mita. Once more, crossing into the 22-metre line. Another break from the substitutes now, Lindisfarne. Whakatata ana ki te raina. Ko tahi e rua pia ngā mita e toiana, just 1 or 2 metres left here. Dawson. Skua no ki tōna pukuhiwi matau. Sends it off his right shoulder to Timms. E hamarara, o tētai o ngā kaitākoro, ngā kaitautoko. E taupare atu I tātou kai kāmera, as we see the umbrella of one of the supporters just getting in the way of our fantastic camera operator. Looks like he's starting to get out the way. Tērā pia kua whai piro. Kai wawau says no. In fact, still talking to his assistant here. Tā raua e ki ai. And the try is given for Lindisfarne College. Grinding their way over. Kei raro I ngā pau. Kaumawha, ki te kaumārua. E ua tāpā ana. It is absolutely pouring down. I was going to say pissing down, but I don't know if that's correct for the broadcast. Well, I've said it now, so kei te pai tonu. Ka whana whakau mai mua. The conversion attempt from out in front, absolutely no issues. Ball at it, pinfold, kua raka anō, te kaumawha, te kaumawha. Ia te mara o ngā hamarara. E hua mai ana as the garden of umbrellas bursts forth into life. And our camera gets absolutely pelted. 10 minutes left in the half. About 10 millimetres of rain by the looks of things. I think we'll be playing in a swamp by the end of this one. That whana just holds up, beautifully weighted. Lindisfarne forced to slam it back up. They only get about as far as halfway. Is now Smith. Assesses his options. Goes to ground in the end. Winoki Whanganui. Shifts it infield. Now St John's. Smith, that's Artie Smith. E whana pau waka. Titsura wana ki te kokona. It's not a bad kick. E ko te ahua nei ka hoki anō. Looks like there was a penalty called against St John's. No, in their favour. It was a fantastic kick. Ngari ka hoki anō te kaumita. Ka te tiro rātou ki te pai taha rā. Look to that far sideline. And he does find touch. Jesus, a good kick given the conditions. Rarika rāra I ki wahano ki taua tahata wahi. Mahato hone e whāngai. St John's bring it in. Now they set the kōkiri, the drive. Haere whakamua tonu ana still heading forwards here. As now Lindisfarne get the counter push. Wheels away to the right. Te ahunei kua tāhaitia. Looks like Lindisfarne actually got in there and ripped it away. Marihara hoki. Double blast here. He's marched them 10. A little bit of back chat. I believe it was from Charlie East, referee. Didn't want to be talked to. Nō reira, Ka hoki anō ki te pai rima mita to the 5 metre line. And now a dangerous position here. And now Hatone, Tukunoki Whanganui, strong carry once more from the number 12, Te Vanga. Back to the right-hand side now. Haere whakamuriana, they're going backwards at the moment, need to start to reassert that momentum. Big number 3, Rogers. Apologies, that was Boynton. That one behind Te Vanga, has one to pick it up and recovers. Try score, Leilua. Haere tonu ana, aha kua ngā kairutu e toru pea. 3 tacklers taken with him as now Smith. Lindisfarne, tino tere mai te raina. Quick out of the line. Halfback, a little offload. Ahunei kua taka ki mua. Double knock on, first occasion by Lindisfarne. Ka kakaria no, ata tonu ki te rua te kaumārua mita, te kaumāwha, te kaumāwha tonu. Kua noho pūmau a hato hone ki tēnei rohe o te papa mo ēnei miniti e rima kohipa engari kaore anō kia whai hua. St John's have absolutely camped themselves in this part of the field for the past 5 minutes, yet to find a reward. Testament ki tēnei raina ārai o Lindisfarne College to this defensive line of the boys in reds, proving a tough nut to crack. Ka whanga hia anō. Scrum is fed once more. Looking to just chip it through. Knocked on again. Ka kakaria no. Game of scrums here at the minute. So we can see the number 11 there. For Hato Hone, the number te kaumātai, Remy Karauna. Tētahi o ngā tino whetū tāreke o tēnei tīma. Hua mātonu ana tōna tiate. One of the strongest players for this home side. Still with a clean shirt. Those wingers not getting too much action. No doubt they'll be calling for the ball off the back of this one. Chat between the number 7, Jacob van Starlen, and his halfback. What are they going to try here? They are going to go left. Chip through. Just stopped. Comes down on the side of Hatohone. Now it's lost. Now it's a penalty. Ringa ringa ki te papa, hands on the ground. Call against Lindisfarne. Already a few anō kia Hatohone. Will be another penalty for St John's. Te pakahoreo ki te kāpene kua nui ngā whiu. Me ngā hapa o tōna tīma tera pia mehe mea ka hapa anō. Ka ngaro tētahi ki te ipu. Might see one loss to the bin if these mistakes continue for the boys in red. Engari kaore anō kia whai piro. Hone still yet to find points from all of this momentum. The home side. Tino ki te tahatata nei. They'll probably look to set another drive. 2 unsuccessful. 3rd time lucky. Have to wait and see. Hewlett. Mane Tuku. Target the big man, Morris Rawiri. Kiri Whakamuana sends it off to Smith. Now they look to shift it. Te Vanga. Tukunokia Smith. Hewlett. Kawe Kahana. E rua ngā kaiara ki a whakatakatoia ia. Took 2 tacklers to lay him down. Is now the big man, J. Morris Rawiri. Tōne. O kiri anō ana tino tataina ia nei. Tukua no Kiburi. Morris Rawiri. Gets the legs pumping. E toru pea ngā mite toina just a few metres away now. Tōne. Morris Rawiri anō kia hianga kawe. How many carries is he going to make? He's up and he's got it again. Katone tino tatai nei. Jeez, they're not far off now. Wrestling around in the mud. Katou kia wai. Kia tohone tonu. Crosses the line, held up. Gets the ball back. Now they go right. Steps off the right foot. Te rutu. Tērā pēr ka paku wānanga. Te kaiwa wao ki tōna kai āwhina. Might see a quick discussion between the referee and his assistant here. He hata raiwa ki nei. Grounding is good, try is good. Te piro tua toru mo te hau kāinga. Te kaumā iwa ki te kaumā whā. 19 plays 14 is the third try for St. John's. I whawhairoa. Rātou mō taua piro rā. They had to fight a long time to get that one there as it's just chipped over by Smith. Patience, tenacity, whatever other synonyms, oh my goodness, synonyms. It's hard talking for this long. Please do excuse my lack of vocabulary. Low driven kick. Ooh, strong carry from the big man. Dawaneko Rogers teared up. And they got Tukano Kitata Tatanei. Looking to find space, breaks the tackle, still in hand. Tukano Kitipaiwe as they get up towards the halfway line. Wayward pass looking for Morris Rawiri. Marinayane Ka Lindisfarne. Ruanga mineti e toia nei tēnei haurua tuatahi, just 2 minutes left here in the first. They'd love to draw level before the break. Ake rātou tonu te huanga. And they have the advantage. And a fresh penalty as they tap and go. Just loses footing as he gets up to the line. Does the halfback, Artie Smith. Lindisfarne. Squanoki Whanganui. Strong tackle up on the first 5 as Puketapu Bene. Kōkiri Tia Kimuri. Gets up and goes again to Te Kaumātoru Reid Palmer. Benefield plays halfback. Squanoki Te Tāmaui. Otahi noa te minutes e toia nei nei. Now just the minute left as Lindisfarne. Timms. Smith. Ngā paumua. Kōkiri ana ki ngā pau. Forwards making their way towards the posts. Knock on the call. Knock on the call. Hatohone e ora tonu ana. As St. John's survive one there. Have to think if they can control this scrum, get that ball into touch. Be as good as a 7-point lead heading into the halftime break. Penalty called against St. John's. Te kaunga heko nei e toiana. Will they look for the tap and go? They will, they go left. Kareranga aputa as Reid carries it up. Can they find the try? Just on the stroke of half-time, wrestling his way forwards is Benefield. The Hamaui anō. Pātakai wawe kine offside. Lindisfarne, kia rātou tonu. Looks like they'll tap and go once more. Reid. Tahamatua no kia thau. Tino tatai nai. Timms. Kōkiri ana ki te raina. Goes again, just short. Nice hands from Palmer. Whakawhiti I te raina. Can't get it down, we'll come back for the penalty. Double blow here. Tērā pēr he kāri kei te haere. Referee. Whakatau I rātou anō, just settles them down, checks his watch. Whakatūpatu noa ki te kāpene. Just a warning here for the captain. Ko whononga. Mena rātou I hapa no ka ngaro tētahi. If they commit another penalty, they will lose one. Lindisfarne. Tuko no ki te tā MΑORI. Here no, good hands from the big fella. Kōkiri tonu ana, tino tata ki te raina, ko tahi noa te mitsa I toi ana. Arm is out once more for the referee. We might see a player in the bin here. Now they look to go to the right, cross field kick. It's not a bad one, it's not a bad one. Te whana mai te tā wāhi rā ki te kai parirau matau. Aro ko Hunter. Kau ko Zealand pinfold tērā. Crossfield kick from the far side, found the right winger. And Ledette Pinfold makes his way in. Rua te kaumātai ki te kaumaiwa, 21, plays 19. Whanawhakau mai te tātata nei. Conversion attempt to come in from the right-hand side. So he looks to even it up right on the stroke of half-time, and he has nailed it. Nō reira, koira te whakamutungo o te hau rua tuatahi. Rua te kaumātai ki te rua te kaumātai, 21, plays 21 at the end of the first half here. Two teams not to be separated. Nō reira, koira e tā wāhi e te whānau. Kau kia mai a kua nei ki te haurua tuarua. Mai kirikiri roa.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku anamata.
Mā tō raurau ki MAORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nau mai hoki mai anō e te whānau, a taku tōmiri, te kimi hau i e tai wai. Hei whakatau i taku kore koroku āhua, mamai e te ara haurua tuatahi. Kia ora kouana, welcome back. Apologies for my late return. Just getting some water, a bit of a sore throat from that first half. Hopefully not the beginning of yet another period of sickness. I've been sick for the past 3 months. It almost feels I'm ready to be well. But this time of year, it is absolutely ruthless. Engari hei hātera, no one came here to hear me moan about my sore throats. Came here to watch this fantastic match. Ki Whanganui a hato hone a rātou ko Lindisfarne College. Te rua te kaumātai, ki te rua te kaumātai, te mutingo te haurua tuatahi. Ke mutino tata, ke mutino whakataitai. Nari ka tētai āhuatanga ka tino uaua. I tēnei haurua tūrua ko te māku. Tā tonu mai ana te ua. Māku haere ana, paru haere ana te papa. Kau waua te tuku me te hopu I te pōro I ēnei momo āhuatanga. Fantastically close and competitive first half, but one of the aspects we will be seeing more of here in the second is this rain. Field getting muddy, ball getting slippery, passing, catching, handling, proving to be difficult for these two sides. Whoever can keep the ball in hand the longest will no doubt take this one out. As Hatohone managed to keep the ball in play, and they thud it back down through Smith. And now it is at the back for Puketapupene. Responds with a kick of his own. Bombs it up the right-hand side. Kataua no Kia Riley Eagles as he eventually sends it into touch. Only just beyond the 22. Ora te kararangi ki waho kia Lindisfarne. Hakoa te hapa o taua tuku rā ka tau rātou. Ki tētai wāhi tata. Ki tā rātou I tuku ai. Despite the error there from the free kick. They'll end up back close to where they sent it originally. There's now Penfold. Pops it over the top, Smith. He's been here, there and everywhere so far, and now he drills one up the centre of the field, and it is dropped at the back for Lindisfarne. Once again, handling ball control. Proving to be tough, and a little bit of a scrap here on the near side. Te ahuna I rua ngā whakawhiti mai te pai o Hatohone I te hauruatanga. Two substitutions from the St John's bench at the break. Looks to be number 16, Liam Catton, alongside the number 22. Koua te taia e o te kite, ko Waitera. Kakakria no ki te tātata nei. Now they send it into the middle. Ball does go to ground. Kua taka no Morari Naya nei. Lindisfarne. Te whanarewa ki Whanganui chips it up the centre. Beautiful side of some umbrellas. I think someone needs to tell those kaiatau toko. Just give our poor cameraman a little bit more space here. Naka te ahuna I ka rārangi ki waho. Kia Lindisfarne. Hatotonu ki te rua te kaumārua mita, close to that 22-metre line. Throw goes long, and St John's do well to pull it in. Outside the 22, the call, but not sure why they brought that up. It just bounced, didn't go into touch on the full. So, no issues there. Ooh, ka koro te kaiwa wao ki te kāpene. So the referee wanted a chat there, not quite sure what for. In the end, it looks like it's been settled, and it will be Lindisfarne. Free kick calls. Alright. Might have been time wasting in the end. And now, Hatohone put up the high bomb. Well controlled at the back for Lindisfarne. Tukwanoki Whanganui end over end, hard to control. Well done there by Karona. Tukwanoki to Tamauira, finding space, off he goes. Man on the inside decided rather smartly to hold on to it. Erika Futia. Off his feet there is now Lindisfarne. Irangi rātou ki te neka ki tēnei tātata nei. Engari ka haere tōtika no wanted to shift to the left-hand side, straightened up. See the substitute on as well for Lindisfarne, number 18, Hugo Beardmore. Tukwano Kimuri. Now looking to drill it. A bit of football skills at the back there for Hatohone. Looked to put the step on, just slipped. kicking once more. Awati Wekawekana. This is some messy stuff as now Hato Hone, big shot, drives him back. Hatatonu Kiterima Mita close to the 5 metre line now. Taiwa Yahua nei taka. Nā Lindisfarne, no reira kakakiri anō Kiterima Mita will scrum in on the 5 metre line, or I should say about halfway between the 5 and the 22. Ia rātou, e whakatikana ia rātou anō, me mihi ka tika ki ngā kaitau toko katoa o tēnei kaupapa o tira kia Bailey's, Celtics, Apollo Projects, Anchor, Nativa, rātou katoa, e tautoko mai ana I tēnei o ngā whakataitai mei kore ake rātou, e kore e nei kēmu e tū. O rene me mihi ka tika, kia rātou katoa, te tūa papa o ngā hā kina rangatahi Aotearoa nei. Big shout of course to all of our sponsors, Apollo Projects, Bailey's, Nativa, Celtics, Anchor, without whom this game, this competition would not be able to go ahead, so we do thank them for being so foundational to youth sport in Aotearoa. Special shout out to Anchor as well. All of those dairy products, among which Primo, staple of many a young Kiwi's childhood. If they do have any Primo, specifically chocolate, always been my favourite flavour lying around. Just get in touch. Ora te kakakari anō. Ona hawhea wei. Kei wainga I te rua te kau. Mārua me te rima. Scrum in with a St. John's feed. Strong shot from Artie Smith. Te Namaiwa. Hakoa he eti. He kaha. There's now Lindisfarne looking for the steal and Ari hit. O te ahua nei. Karia I whakawātia. Tangata nānei rutu ai. Didn't release the man he tackled. Nō reira, ka whiua no kia hato hone. Ko pūmo wana ke roto I te rua te kaumārua mito o Lindisfarne ngari karia no kia whai hua. Pēra hoki te haurua tuarua I a rātou te nuinga, te nohoanga o te rirohanga. Engari nā te kaha o ngā kaiarai o Lindisfarne. Rua te kaumātai ki te rua te kaumātai tonu. It's much the same in the first half. St. John's majority of the positioning and the possession. But the strong defence of Lindisfarne means we're still at 21 apiece. They have been camped inside this 22. Ko te wearui nai nei me pihia rātou e whai hua nā tau āhuatanga. Ka rāringi ki waho ki te rima mita. Te ahua nei kei runga I tētahi puna kaukau. Just above what looks to be like a swimming pool. Just on the 5 metre line there, but the line out goes in and now they look to drive. Lindisfarne holding strong. Ka kōkria no haere whakamuana. Whakatatana ki te paipiro. Getting close to the try line here as now St. John's get the shove on once more. It's back and forth. Locked in. Lindisfarne looking for the steal. Little halfback going for a dash. Just pumped in. Ki tētai o ngā raka o tira ko te ahua nei. O Kouwhanonga just bumped into one of the lock forwards. Couldn't find his way round. As they will scrum in now off the obstruction call. Lindisfarne. Katimata no. Scrum feed goes in as now they send it to the right. Little chip over the top. Out to the right-hand side. And it's in the hands of the visitors. Fantastic play there, Ngāti Namate Kau. O ngai manuhiri o tira, ko puketa pepene, I rātau e kaue ana. Tata, ki te kau mita. Me te whiuki ki a rātau anō. And the penalty, tapped it, looked like he dropped it, but it's all good, it's been intercepted in fact. Te tai, me te tarai kei raro tonu I ngā pou. Te matara hoki o te nama te kaumārua a rā. Ko ta vanga. Saw the pass, was just a little bit loose. Got in between the players. Stole it, plucked it out of the air, straight in under the posts. And the try for the number 12. Leisel te vanga heads up play. Hato hone, mā te rima. Good boy, mai mua. Karua no rua te kaumā waru ki te rua te kaumā tahi 9A28 plays 21. As St. John's, they plugged away at it for a good 10 minutes. Hei te mutunga iho, nā tētai hapa rātau I whaihua ai. Engari, ko rātau tērā e toa na mā te whitu. See if the sideline have taken some kicking lessons in the half. And they have, the man in the red bands. Not a bad effort. Ka wau with te mahi whana, I a pēr mau kamupūtu ana. Engari tika tonu tau o tangata, rere mihi atu ana. Couple more substitutions here for St. John's. Kai hoa kia te kai kia ki te ai. Ko wai rau e rua, we'll have to wait and see. Looks to be the number 20. Here up here with the number te kaumā o Noki and the number 16. No. 21, the reserve halfback on for Hapahone. Throw goes astray, but it is knocked on at the back. Kakari anō, au e kua ahua. Whiwhiwhi tōku warero, as I get myself a little bit tongue-tied. Ka kakari anō, ki te rua te kaumārua mita, as we'll scrum in once more. It's the 22-metre line.
Let's go now!
Lindisfarne, me te whāngai. Katuka no ki te taha matau, ki tapu pene. He's lost it, the call from the sideline. Referee doesn't seem to agree as now Lindisfarne. Ia teua, e tāta mai ana ko hoki mai anō. That rain well and truly back in. Reo I te moi o ko wai o koutou I tū karakia kia Waipuna Arangi I te matariki ko hipa. Not sure which of you said to karakia up to Waipuna Arangi in the Māori New Year just gone. But goodness me, that prayer has been answered at tenfold at the moment as the rain lashes down upon Kirikiriroa. Lindisfarne, Tukwano ki Wainga. Kawekaha na te raka te namawha, Harry Reid with the strong carry. Penalty goes against the defence there. Backed against the big man. Morris Rawiri. Lindisfarne. Once more strong contact. Reed. Ngā raka e rua. 2 locks here for Lindisfarne, putting in some strong carries. Rone. Utu pai tera kōkiri whakamuri ana. I te kai kawe. Driving the ball carry back. Beardmore. Smith. Timms. Drops it backwards. Ball was out. Engarikearata Tonutiri Rohanga steps off the right foot, finds the gap, straight up the centre, beats another. Ngā tohipa e rua mai taua wai matau. Me te tere hoki ki te pai tarai. Te pero tua whao te kēmu nei kia Lindisfarne oti rā te kaumā toru Reed Palmer. The 2 steps off that right foot, plenty of pace towards the try line, got over. 4th try for his team. It is the centre, Reed Palmer. Te awa nei. Oh, I thought he wasn't going to wait for it either. He was going to put up a drop kick. Would have been brave. Engari ka tatari. Kia tae mai te taiti. Pai muri tēnei ka raka anō ngā tima e rua. Most likely to be locked up once more after this conversion goes over. Neke atu I te rima te kau ngā meneti kua hipa, engari te taia e koe e whakapai. Mā wai tēnei kēmu e toa. More than 50 minutes gone, but you could not even try to guess who's going to take this one out. Going blow for blow, 28 for 28, 56 points. E te iwi. Live and on demand, Kore Utu. Me mihi anō kia whakaata Māori, Māori Plus. Absolute spectacle for your Saturday afternoon. There's now Lindisfarne. Squano Kimuri. Looking to send it out towards that right-hand side. Just drifts back in field. Knocked on, perhaps. Ana. Tā kakria nō ki roto tonu I te haurua o Hato One. Will scrum once more within the St. John's half. Off back the knock on. It was a good kick. Ball was swirling around in the wind. Couldn't quite control it. Hea henga anō. Ki ngā manuhiri anai nei. E whai te tai painga to find a lead. Kaha rātau mai tēnei kakari nei. What can they work from this one? Kakakiri anō ki te kaumita. Mā Lindisfarne e whāngai te koimāri ma ngā meneti e toi ana I tēnei kēmu. Just 15 minutes left in the fixture here. Smith. Tuku kia puke tapu pene. Te whana rewa ki te tātaka nei. Chip kick across to the near side. I believe an offside call against Lindisfarne. They're now Hato Hone. Ora tonu ana. Staying alive like the Bee Gees. And they will now get a chance to set a line out of their own. Kaiwa Walt, ka whikitika anō I ngā rārangi e rua. Just corrects the 2 lines there, getting a little bit too close and personal. Atone ka tuku anō. It is the number 16. Caton, who puts it in, and now carrying up ka whaiwhiu hoki and the penalty. Now they look to go quickly through the big man, Morris Rawiri. What a carry. Pumped off a couple. Hoki anō ki te taha maui. Back to the left-hand side once more. Through the hands here for St John's. Get away on the left side, but now they'll centre once more. Kiranga Raka Erua, two big lock forwards in the centre. Not rolling away, however, the call. Atone, kōkiri tonu ana. Katuturu no ki te pai taha. Rather look once more to that far sideline as they continue to drive their way down into Lindisfarne territory. Kaiwawau, Katsuano just looks to reset. See the number 17, Anichoke Momo, also on here for Hatohone. Lindisfarne with the steal, as now they put up the bomb. Beautifully taken at the back there for Hatohone. Little scrap there. Dawene Kuatika. Naine Mojo. Momo Neki. Kawekana drops it, but it goes backwards, and now in the hands of the Kaumatoru. Leilua finds a gap. Off he goes, chips it ahead for himself. And they will call the mark. Kitapu Pene. Looks for touch, and he finds it. Ona hawhia wei kei wainga I te kaumita me te rua te kaumārua. About halfway between the 10 and the 22 as we near towards the final 10 minutes of this one. Stolen. No, in fact it is on the Hatohone side. For a second I thought they managed to get up and steal it. One had Lindisfarne, but it has been dropped. Knocked forward by the home side. Ooh. And they get marched back 10 metres. Referee, too much chat. It must have been some serious lip service. He's going to warn him as well. And now Lindisfarne. Kakari. No, looked like the forwards wanted the scrum. Backs didn't quite agree. They're going to put up a bomb here. Spiral bomb from Puketapapene. Couldn't quite control it, and it will be Lindisfarne ball once more. Met their whakatoi hoki and letting him know about it. Taha ki te taha, end-to-end stuff, the blink of an eye. E nei tima I te wheroko te awa, nei tia nei tima I te parauti. He tai a heinga, ki te whai painga. E kaunga miniti noa e toina I tēnei kēmu. Out of nowhere, an opportunity here for the boys in reds. Red turning brown, a little bit more maroon I must say. For a chance to find the lead with just 10 minutes left here in the game. And now Lindisfarne. Wakatapatu ana ki te rimamita. Strong carry from the big number 6, Hunter Tho. Kaiwawau offside against Hatohone. Tukanoki Wainga, send it once more to the centre. Kiriatsu ki te rimamita anō. Ngā paumua. Kawaiho kia rātou. Hey, whawhai ki te raina, they're going to let the big boys fight their way to the line here. Strong carry once more from the hooker. Kōkiri ana ki te raina. Oh, look, he got over there for a second. Lindisfarne on the second attempt. It's been lost forward. Looked for all money like they were in there. But Hato hone mehe ngeru e iwa o rātou oranga. Like a cat, 9 lives, St. John's. Survive once more. Ia te ua. E mimi mai ana. It's just correct to say it now with the iwi. It is absolutely pissing here. Sheets of rain. You can barely even see the players. Tell you what, hot shower. It's going to hit different after this one. Scrum feed. It's now Hatone. It is dropped, but it goes behind. Can't actually see where the line is, so they could be anywhere on the field at the moment. As now the kick goes ahead from Hatone. From the best I can tell, close to the 22-metre line. Tupanoki Wainga. Now they'll shift it once more into the centre. Lindisfarne brought down on that 22. Matamata no. Back to the right-hand side. I honestly cannot see any of the numbers at the moment. But someone's got it. There's now Lindisfarne. Bounces out of one. Quick out of the line there. Managed to bring him to ground. Force them back just a touch. Kōkiri Anoana driving once more. Little ball on the inside. Finds the gap. Kape here there. Whana. Terehi. Did he get it down? The chip and chase. He was the first one there. Did he score it? Iowa Wall. Looks like he's going to chat to the other assistant, getting all the opinions he can. Huge call here. 6 minutes left. Could change the game depending on what he says. No try. But it will be Lindisfarne ball as they'll get another shot at it. Matamata ona te kaumari mameneti tua o te pai. But 15 meters I should say. Oh my goodness. Tongue tie once more beyond the try line as Lindisfarne. Kawaihua no kinga paumua hei kōkiri whakamua. They'll leave it to the big boys to drive their way forwards. Hatone wrestling them to ground. Utonuana ki taua tātāwā. He's sticking it to that right-hand side. And now they centre it once more. Strong tackle. Hatone fighting for their lives here. Herima Menetsi. E toia nei tēnei ke mumena. Lindisfarne whai piro. I was going to say if they could find a try here, that might be as good as a win. But Hatone standing up right when they needed to. Ka whai piro, ka whai ara hoki. Te tuku I taua pōro tata ki te hawhi away. They'll find a way, they'll find an opportunity as well to send that ball down towards the halfway line. Right when they needed it, they escape once more. Not out. Dropped, however. Didn't find the touchline. Couldn't quite control it. Morera kakakaria no. Ri tēnei wā kia hato hone te whāngai e whāngā meneti e toera I tēnei kēmu e hoa mā. E whakamutunga pairau atu kei te haere. We are in for a fantastic finish here. As the two teams will scrum in inside St. John's territory. Ai te haukainga e whāngai. Now, Hatone hold the ball the call, but they've kicked it up only about as far as halfway, and now Lindisfarne in broken play looking for a 50-22. Did he kick it before he crossed the halfway line? Taken back is the call, and so it will be a Hatone throw. No, it's Lindisfarne. 50-22 called. What an absolutely monster kick. As now they look to shift it out to the right-hand side. Okiranoki Wainga. Look to drive once more now up the centre. Hatone Kuatai. Stolen by the host, and off they go up the centre. Quick meters for the boys in yellow and blue. Wanoki to MΑORI. Going to send it towards the left as we enter into the final 3 minutes. Back to the centre. Strong carry from the big man, Morris Rawiri. Hatone. Karanga mai te taha nei kia mahi tonu. Keep working the call from the sideline. Steps, jives, high tackle. And they'll tap once more. Not interested in kicking here is now Morris Rawiri. There's a gap down the near side. Can they access it? Draws in the tacklers, gets the pass away. Kafiu Kibua just drifts forward. Te mihoki ki te kai kāmara e pukumahi ana. Kia whakamaro ke tonu I tēnei. Tapu, and a big shout out as well to our cameraman putting in the work to continue drying this camera. It's about 50% filming, 50% towel work at the moment. Not easy conditions out there for our amazing cameraman.
Your head is okay? Okay. Wait, he's going for long. Oi, what's the wing on the track? He's going outside too. Go on.
As the scrum sets, Kotahi noa te minutes e toiana, just 1 minute left. Now Lindisfarne. Can they break St. John's hearts here? Looking for a 50-22 once more. Not retreating the call from the referee. Someone gone to ground here. Perhaps just a little calf cramp. Already romi hiana as he gets a little massage. Mihi no ki ngā kaitautoko tēnei kaupapa o tira kia whakaata MāORI Plus e pāpāhuana I tēnei whakataitai I enei kēmu katoa. Ki ngā kokonai e whā o te motu whānui nei mo te kore utu hoki. Kia tai ai e koutou katoa te mātaki mai, te tautoko mai I enei o ngā kaupapa. And a big shout out again to Whakaata MāORI Plus broadcasting this tournament, all these games live and on demand for free across Aotearoa, allowing all of you at home to watch on and to support this fantastic competition. Oru te kou noa ngā hekona e toiana, just 30 seconds left e hoa mā. They looked for all money, like Lindisfarne were going to steal it, and now Hatone with their own opportunity off the back of some fantastic defense. To turn that into points. Can they get one here? Can they steal this game at the death? Line out is good. Tukukitataha Mauida. I'll send it to the left-hand side, now straightening. The substitute for Hatone, he's lost it. And Lindisfarne will have the ball. Referee says we have time for a scrum. Tērā pia koe nei te mai whakamutunga. Te kēmu nei might be the last play of the game here. One final roll of the dice for these two teams. Scrum feed is good for Lindisfarne. Now they look to shift it, they're going to kick. Putting some pressure on at the back for Hatohone, that one will cross the sideline. Hone ka whākaro tonu. Looks like we'll continue on here. Referee happy to keep playing. Rarari ki waho anō. Hatohone waste no time getting it in. As the final seconds tick away and now straightening. Kawe kahana ki wainga. Strong carry up the centre and now Hatohone looking to make some space on the near side. Lindisfarne get across to cut it off. Wrestle him into touch. Referee Katitura no ki tōna wati. Looks once more at his watch again. Happy to keep playing here. Pulled down by Lindisfarne. Hatohone wanting the steal. Kaiwa well, says Carl. And now Lindisfarne. They're whana tei roa to high ball, well taken at the back for Hatohone. Thought about responding with a kick of his own, decided to offload, wasn't quite ready for it. Ball went to ground. Huangakia Lindisfarne, advantage with the boys in reds. More calls, not going anywhere. Ka hoki anō mō te huanga ka kakari. Ma Lindisfarne at whāngai. Will return once more for the scrum, and it will be the Lindisfarne feed. Now the scrum, Lindisfarne looking to drive through. They do a good job of it, no penalty coming. Ball dropped at the back. And now a knock-on advantage for Hatohone. This game continues to seesaw. Koira te whakamutunga o te kēmu nei. That is the end of the game. In the end, the two teams cannot be separated. Rua te kaumā waru ki te rua te kaumā waru. A deserved draw for these two sides. Fantastic fixture of rugby. Nō reira me mihi anō kia koutou katoa, kua whai wāhi mai ki te tautoko i ēnei o ngā kaupapa. Big shout out to all of you who have joined in this afternoon, I should say, to support this fantastic fixture. In the end, the two teams not to be separated. Nō reira e te iwi kua hau tēnā, that is me for today. Engari, e te whānau he kēmu, he rauna nō kei te haere, hei a tērā rā horoi. Nō reira, hei a te rauki.